What's going on, guys? Today, super excited to finally, hopefully, get my new wheels onto the daily. Just some brand new Enkei PF05s. Wanted to get them ceramic coated, but I've been, let's just say I'd rather do it myself.
I'm broke.
And learn, and if I mess up, I mess up. But here's the wheels. Now they're brand new, so I just kind of wiped them down with some simple green water, diluted, made sure it's dry, dusted them again, and got some Project Kicks, excuse me, I can't talk right. Yeah. So opening up the Nano Bond, let's see what we get. One-handed, let's go. Come on, baby.
2 hours later.
Come on. There it goes. All right, so looks like you get the box, applicator pad. All right, the Nano Bond. All right, you get 30 mils. What else is in here? Looks like they got us a little microfiber rag and some gloves. And I believe it's a little like chamois fabric that we put over that sponge. So let's see, instructions. Oh, there are instructions. How about, yeah, it's the booklet that says instructions. Okay, it's not a booklet, it's a card. Okay, cool. All right, so with all the videos I watched, like most of the ceramic coating, we're gonna use just a little bit. Like a little bit goes a long way. So my plan of attack is I'm gonna start back here, ceramic coat the barrel, outside lip, back of the spokes, not the mating surface. Then I'm gonna come around and hit up the front, the spokes, and hopefully we do well. I mean, how hard could it be? All right, got our glove on, applicator pad. So the instructions say I want to go horizontal and then vertical. So I think I'm gonna do one of these, and then one of, can you see that? Yeah, one of these. And I mean, it's not like I'm not gonna wash my wheels when I wash my car, so let's see. Okay. Ooh, it's got this. Alright, that's a strong smell. Alright, it says apply, we're gonna do 4 drops, is what the instructions say, so let's do it. Yeah. Okay, I did more than 4 drops. I'm just throwing this on there. Let's go. Start in the middle. Okay. This doesn't seem too hard. I feel like I should definitely be using like a headlamp. Oh crap! Oh god! Oh, this is the worst possible thing that could happen. Oh, I can't stop. Shit. Things are not going great for me right now. Okay. I am gonna digit because I cannot stop right now. Okay, so crisis averted. Crap, we got major emo hair going on today. It's hot. I went ahead and buffed out where I applicated, so now I'm just hitting it again to get the excess, because all the videos I watched at least say you should go over it once and then go over it again. You want to make sure you don't get any of this stuff drying, because it'll cause a high spot. I don't think it's too detrimental on the back of the wheel, but that's why we're starting with the back first, and we'll inspect it with a flashlight after. Alright, cool. So I had to reevaluate my whole camera situation. How about we use, oh look, equipment, you know, used for holding cameras. Why didn't we do that the first time? Anyway, got through doing the back. I feel like I'm doing it right, so let's just go ahead and go for the front and hope it works. And when they said 4 drops, I could see why they meant 4 drops. Like, it really goes a long way, and I may have wasted some, but let's go. I guess it's kind of hard to see with the white where it's going, but I'm hoping I'm not fucking up. Probably got detailers watching this like, no! No! But you know what? You live and you learn. So a couple takeaways that like I just, you know, thought about when I do the next one. I gotta do it in a, take care not to like touch another portion as I'm, you know, applying it in one spot. So like I gotta be careful to, like, if I'm applying this section, not to hit my hand on another part. So I may have already messed that up, but shoot, wheel look clean to me. I'm not gonna lie. Look at it. Uh-oh, I hear trouble coming.
Daddy,
Oh, there it is. What's up, baby?
can I have this, please?
What is this? A Rice Krispie treat?
Yes.
A Rice Krispie treat?
Yes.
Did you just have fruit snacks?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you can have that Rice Krispie treat.
Okay.
Thank
I'm
you.
not gonna eat the whole thing.
Good job, that's what I'm talking about. Portion
I'm gonna
control.
eat half, Daddy.
Half? Okay, we can do half. Then I'm taking my second cloth, as advised by so-called professionals. So you want to go over with a second cloth. Look at that, boy! I'm so shiny! Alright. I'm gonna say that looks pretty good. Alright, we can do this. We can do this! Emo flip. Alright, let's go prep up the next wheel and let's see how it goes. Alright, so now on wheel 2. This time I'm a little more prepared. This brings a little bit more experience. Like I said, I had these all washed up and ready to go. Kind of dust it off, make sure we don't have anything not good. Boom. And this time I got the light. Got the light. Got the light. Alright. I think it's gonna come out pretty good. So let's hit this front up. Alright, so I just finished up with wheel number 2. Kind of took the headlamp off because it wasn't really helping. It's just already hella bright as it is. But oh, okay. I think I'm doing it right, but I guess we're really gonna find out like the first time I gotta wash the car if there's ever like built up spot these crevices. But I feel like these wheels are pretty forgiving. Like there's no like super tight cranny or nook to get into. Beside these bolt holes though, that's like my main concern is like dirt up in the bolt holes, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Alright guys, I just finished up my last wheel. I think I had the technique down pretty good. Looking good to me. Easy guys. Alright, now let's we'll wash the car, pull the car in, and let's get these on. I'm like super excited. 'Cause I don't know what to say.